think you bit off a little more than you can chew. Poco, poco. Little bit. We can't throw anything away. Wait till he gets it where he wants it, and I'll say, you know what? I think a little bit more to the other side of the house. Miguel gets Employee of the Year. Okay. I can get that. Got it. Put that hose on it. No.
Yeah, what do you think?
I liked it better over there.
I can put it back.
Okay.
It wouldn't be that hard.
Oh, yeah.
I like it. So, blind squirrel. Got it level. Yay. But this way, I've got plenty of fall. So the water will run away from the house. So, yeah, oh yeah, I got plenty of fall. Yeah. That's okay. I don't mind it. I want to make the little girl happy. She said she wants slope. You got slope.
Yeah. I was going to make you pee on it so I could see if it ran off.
Oh, I guarantee it will. So that way we just need a couple of pavers around here for a sidewalk. And steps go down onto that. Build the porch. Like it. Wow. Well, let's finish raking up the yard, I guess. We're getting all our rock piles put up here and everything, and so this is the concrete pad here. I already started busting it up and throwing it in the trailer and getting it out of here. And brought over a bunch of these rocks from home that I had been collecting. She wants to place them all around here. We'll just pour a new pad somewhere over here, but at any rate, it's been fun. Got to move these blocks. She wants to save those for a walkway. But sitting on top of the concrete was. But you're getting somewhere. I know you don't think you are. Scraped up the old fire pit. I can pull up and through the yard. Cleaned that up. Cleaned up over here, whatever we had left over there. He even went and cut a little pathway through the woods. She don't want the deer coming down. They like coming down through here, and she's going to be landscaping all that hillside. So she's like, you know what we need to do? We need a path for the deer. Just gotta figure out what to do with these tires. Anyway, I come through here with the Mini. Oh, by the way, the water is running fantastic. If you care. It's really running good today. I kind of like this little walkway I made down here. And the waterfall back up in there. I like it. Anyway. Alright, well, let me back this up to the pit over there. I just dug some topsoil off of there where it dropped down. Figured fill it in. See how this goes. It's been real fun. Ain't no room. No room at all. Ain't no room. Can't maneuver nothing. Okay. I gotta clean my mirrors again. It's dirty. Excavator on the building. Well, I gotta clean this man. At least I cleaned up some room here. First time I came through here, it was impossible. Okay. Follow the tire tracks of the previous run. Ah! Told you there's no room anywhere. You gotta have eyes everywhere. Literally. Yeah. If I'm gonna hit something, don't want to go over the hill. Oh, I will. Okay. Yeah, I might want to pull up just a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Yeah, it's looking nicer. I'm going to take a load of logs out of here today when I leave. That'll help clean up things real nice. I can always knock stuff in the hole with the excavator. A fun bit. Opening the doors. Oh, well, this ain't so bad before there was a hole here. Yeah, make sure you don't get in the way. Grass is coming in. Wanted to get all this stuff done before it rains again. And it's mid-March. It's like 70 degrees. It's crazy. It's great. But we got a couple of days of rain coming. Always trying to beat the rain like everybody you watch on YouTube. But I love it, man. It's wet almost everywhere else you go. Up here it's bone dry. I mean, not bone, but dry enough that you can do whatever you want to do up here. That's why I love this place. So nice and dry up here. And one more load after this, and I think that'll be it for Phil. I did miss my dump truck, but I don't miss the payments and the insurance, repairs, insurance, plates. Figured that F550 cost me $2,000 a year just in. Oh yeah. just in that kind of stuff. Yeah, loan and repairs. That's just plates, you know, insurance, that sort of thing. And fuel, DOT stops, tires, brakes. Just, I do it enough, but I don't do it enough. This will get you by though. Alright, get another load. Almost didn't make it up that hill with that wheelbarrow, did you? Yeah, let's get this pad out of here. Well, that didn't turn out too bad considering. Almost didn't have enough dirt. That was close. Now they're all covered up. Cool. Load some firewood. Get out of here. I don't know if I'm going to play some rocks tonight. I hope not.